All right, we're doing phase 2 of this FAT now, where we're only putting 20 in. So we're actually only using 4 feeders here out of the 6 that are available. So we've got potential to do 6 different flavors. We can go up and down and into a caddy, or into a bag. This is our original design, been around for a while. Very compact, small singulator, 6 flavors. Or just 6 lanes. You can obviously all run the same flavor as well. And we're going into a stand-up pouch, which I'll show you now, which is 20 per bag. So the bags are in the stack. We open them up, put the product in it. We do a little shaky on the bottom. We're settling. And we're running around 9-10 bags a minute on this little bag. Very compact, simple little system. Again, we can put 6 different flavors together and do a 20 count, any count you like. Each lane has its own independent control, so we can do 3 of one flavor, 4 of another, so on and so forth. All right, so what I'll do now is I'll switch over to the caddies. It's a very easy switch over here. So we're going to do the same 20 count in the caddies. And I'll show you over here. Jeff's going to load them up with the conveyor for me. And all we're doing is pressing start there. And now the same 20 count. Yes, this was prearranged. Drops 20 into the caddy. Very simple solution. So you can actually run both at the same time if you so desire. And there you go. That's yet another variety pack solution from Can. Very compact. Easy to use. Let us know how we can help.